There's so much time consumed in doing three-ways by the professional.
When you use three-way, you're saving time throwing your angle tape, no matter what system you use, because you have 5 inches tear off your tape without having to take it tight into your corner. And I used to take a stopwatch and time everything I did, coating bead, nails, no matter what it was. We found out that on the average, 25% of your time is spent in three-way, and it takes a journeyman to do them properly. So labor shortage and labor skill is an issue. This really reduces the whole skill level required for angles. They're going to sand much quicker as well, because you don't go into the whole three-way when you're coating it out. You're just skimming this edge twice. And the edge skims nice because of the double layer. The edge is back enough that when you skim it, you bury this very paper edge here. So out of all the stages, and I think there's around 6 different stages, if you roll, flush, sand, there's a couple of sandings involved, there's throwing the tape involved. And every single stage is going quicker, and you end up with a better result. 2 coats of that, and then sanding that out, and it's done. There's no digging in there with a knife to shape it or scrape it out nice or anything. As a matter of fact, I really haven't seen any journeyman give the consistency of this kind of sharp laser edges within the three-way ever. The end result is a laser line finish.